By placing a selector or selectors prior to the biological reactor, the operator can create the conditions that favor one type of microorganism over another. Now, usually selectors are used to favor bacteria that will settle well in the secondary clarifier. And this bacteria group does not include filamentous bacteria, because filaments cause sludge bulking, which hinders sludge settling. These filaments thrive in environments that have low dissolved oxygen and low F to M ratios. So the goal is to ensure that there is sufficient dissolved oxygen and nutrients to favor the good settling bacteria. So in this configuration, you can see that the return activated sludge goes through a series of selectors before entering the biological reactor. Now in these selectors, the organic loading is very high to favor the reproduction of those good settling bacteria that have the ability to quickly uptake soluble organic matter and store it for later use. In these selectors, typically the hydraulic retention time is 10 to 30 minutes, and the dissolved oxygen is maintained above 1 milligram per liter. Another configuration of a plant using selectors is a modification of the conventional plug flow system that has baffles added to create different compartments within the long aeration basin where the DO levels can be varied to achieve different treatment objectives. And the different zones might be in the form of aerobic zones, anoxic zones, or anaerobic zones. In the aerobic zone, there will be dissolved oxygen. In an anoxic zone, there'll be low to no dissolved oxygen, but there will be chemically bound oxygen in the form of nitrite and nitrate. And then in anaerobic zones, there will be no dissolved or chemically bound oxygen.